If you're living on the planet Earth and not on a spaceship, you're definitely aware of the wild inflation going around. And regardless of your investment background, you're definitely aware that inflation is eating away your savings and your money purchasing power. With inflation that high, I've got a few strategies in mind to make sure that your nest egg doesn't get eroded away. Just make sure to remember that I'm not an investment advisor and just a random guy on the YouTube. Let's keep things simple. The best way to invest against inflation is to put money into assets that will produce higher returns than the inflation. It's that simple. Ideally, these should be investments where the risk is minimal or at least matchable with your comfort zone. On the first place, stock market index funds. It doesn't take to be a financial wizard to know that most publicly traded companies produce way higher returns, way higher earnings than the inflation rate. But stocks can be also incredibly risky. Put your money in the wrong company and you can end up losing much more money than the inflation could eat away. Thankfully, there is a solution to this: publicly traded index funds. Second solution, REITs or crowdfunded real estate. Another option is to put your money into real estate because this will produce also higher returns than the inflation, and many people prefer this. However, if you don't have the time and the effort to choose the proper houses and to flip houses to rent them away, there is also a solution to this. The first option is to invest into REITs. Real estate investment trusts are companies which are publicly traded and where thousands of investors put their money together. At the end, they receive a dividend payment. This is quite, you can think about it like a rent for your property. The second way to passively invest into real estate is the crowdfunded real estate. Not sure what it is? You can continue watching this video. Third option, earn interest on your crypto holdings. One of the not so much known ways to invest into crypto is to put your crypto assets work for you in the form of passive income with earning interest income. Just make sure to choose a solid cryptocurrency exchange just like Coinbase or Binance. We have already seen during this crypto winter some of the exchanges filing for bankruptcy. And finally, I want to finish with investments that won't protect you against inflation. Those are savings accounts, gold, and bonds. Nothing can erode your nest egg and derail your retirement plan so hard like the inflation. So don't let it. When it comes to investing, think bigger than the savings accounts, bonds, and gold. Instead, do your homework and do your research about what publicly traded funds, REITs, crowdfunded real estate, or interest on cryptocurrencies could do for your portfolio. The more you invest into assets that will return stable returns over time, the less you have to worry about inflation. Thank you very much for watching. Press a like if you like this video and see you again.